Ready. Okay, so pakita mo yung doll mo, Bri. Show them. Wow!
The back is for Ninang Janice.
Oh, it's from Ninang Janice. Do you like it?
Yes.
What's the name of your doll? Do you have a name for your doll na? What's her name?
I didn't know. It's there for ako, her name is Chelsea. It's the name niya Ate Chelsea.
Ginaya mo na si ate. Ginawa mong ate Chelsea eh. Loko mo ko eh. Oh, open mo na.
Okay, Mami. Paano? Wait.
Unbox mo na.
Oh, no. I just opened this. I'm gonna help you. So, ako po yung ate ng baby. Ay, may tape pala. Sorry po guys. Meron pala tape po. Mami, dapat may gunting. O, parang ano yung dito. Ayun. Okay, asan? Oh, thank you, Mami. So, let's open it. Let's open baby's toy.
Wow!
Excited, no? Hindi pa nabukas. Excited na.
Ang ganda naman ng color ng hair niya.
Ito po.
It's pink and blue, your favorite colors.
Ito po.
Wow! Ang pretty!
Now, Mommy.
Open it na, open it na. Ang pretty naman ang doll mo.
Paano po open?
Tanggal mo sa box. Pakita natin yung box. Let's show them your doll. So, it's a Scented Sisters doll. Cotton candy scent. Oh, it's scented! Bango siya. I'm a big sister. Wow, ate pala siya. Kindi kids. Let's play candy sweets. So, this is Brielle's doll from her Ninang Janice. This is how it looks like. The box is cotton candy scent. It has big glittery eyes, removable shoes, and pastel sweets. So, yeah. So, Bri, where's your doll na?
My dad.
It's so pretty! Oh, take out from the box na.
What? Mommy, paano? I don't open this.
Ito tayong gunting. Yun.
So, wait po natin yung gunting, guys. Ganun ba? Tulog po tayo po. Tulog po. Okay, ganun na. Sorry na. Ganun po pala.
Bri, ba't sinabunot mo siya?
Sorry po, guys. Po na.
Yay! Ganda pa naman ang hair niya, Bri.
Wait lang.
Yon! Yay! Show them! Show them!
Ito po.
Yay! So pretty. Ang ganda ng hair niya.
Bakit
Pinili daw yan ni Ninang Janice kasi kamukha daw ni Bri. Aww. Oh, bye-bye ka na. Thank you, Ninang Janice. Bye-bye vlog ka. Bye-bye vlog. Tingin ka sa camera.
So, bye-bye.
Hindi, inapit ko na.
Happy?
Hindi may toy. Goodbye.
Yay! Love it.
Wala. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Mm.
Sherry Pop Production. Just kidding.